Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Plug in your mic and confirm the OS recognizes it. This avoids Premiere guessing. Once connected, open Premiere, create or select your sequence, and reveal the audio track mixer so you see track inputs. Next, arm a track for recording by choosing the correct input in the mixer. This binds Premiere to that device. Make sure sample rate matches between OS, interface, and project to prevent drift. Now you're ready to move into detailed routing and monitoring. Select the audio track mixer's input dropdown and pick the physical mic or interface channel. This routes audio into the timeline. Then enable input monitoring so you hear yourself and press record arm to permit capture. Adjust gain at the interface first to avoid clipping and use the track fader for level tweaks. This preserves headroom. If latency appears, switch to a low latency driver or lower buffer size. Once levels look good and monitoring is stable, prepare to record. Hit the timeline record button to capture directly into your sequence. Keep takes concise and stop between passes. Name clips and move them to dedicated tracks so you can edit and comp quickly later. After recording, listen through and normalize or trim as needed and save a project backup. If you encounter silence, first verify OS permissions and that Premiere sees the device. Then match sample rates, restart the audio driver or Premiere, and reduce buffer size if latency or dropouts persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.